I'm answering questions that have been in my inbox about the new AromaTru diffuser. If you haven't seen them, I have several other videos about this new waterless diffuser that has now come out on the market. First question, where can you get that? There's a link in my bio. Just look for the AromaTru. It's actually on sale right now. Does it plug in? The answer is yes. It's a very minimal plug. Does it ship internationally? Unfortunately, right now, the AromaTru is US only. If you're looking for a good diffuser that ships internationally, check out the Florocopia and Mountain Rose Herbs links in my bio. How much essential oil does it use? Honestly, I'm finding it to be really efficient. I find that I'm using a little less actually than I use in a water diffuser, and then there's no waste either. Should you get the Wi-Fi or not? Only get the Wi-Fi if you're also going to get the AromaTru essential oils. If you're not going to get the AromaTru essential oils, get the non-Wi-Fi, and then any 0.5 ml bottle that's the same shape as this should work. Hope this helps. Happy shopping. Make sure you add yourself to my mailing list in my bio.